This is for people with low brain cells who doesn't know any better because any rational human being knows this is insanity. I'm on my last few brain cells trying to read the sentence. But basically the translation is this. I don't know anything about caving and it scares me. Therefore, I'm going to bash you for doing something that you like to do. And it's really crazy to me, for one, that people will brag about their fears online, but it's even more crazy that they will try to bring you down for doing what you like to do, even though it has nothing to do with them. In any viral cave video you see online, the comment section is filled with people like this. For reference, between 1980 and 2008, there were 81 caving related deaths. That's a 28-year period where 81 people died from this activity. Just today in the United States alone, over 100 people have died in a car accident.